Here are 3 tips on how to talk to a judge if you have to. Number 1, be presentable. So before you even open up your mouth, you want to make sure that you look good, because we know that if you look good, you'll feel good. And if you feel good, you're going to speak very well. And also, it's just a good sign of respect to the judge. Number 2, you want to make sure you speak very briefly and clearly. And the secret to that is to make sure that you prepare. So the night before you have to go to court, spend some time and make sure you rehearse and practice what you're going to say. And you want to keep it to 1 to 2 minutes maximum, because a judge is not going to really sit there and pay attention to everything you're saying for a long time. So make sure you keep it brief and you speak clearly. The last tip is don't be a jerk, okay? So if the judge is talking to you, don't interrupt ever. Doesn't matter if there's an emergency, do not interrupt the judge. Once the judge is finished speaking, he or she may ask you a question and then you can answer. Also, don't argue with the judge. And for God's sake, don't argue with the other side. Always look at the judge. If you follow steps 1, 2, and 3, you should be fine. A bonus tip is if you're going into court, you want to make sure you're nice to the court staff. Be extremely nice to the court clerk, and he or she will definitely help you if she can